In this video, I will share with you how you can redeem your Love2shop a gift card. So all you have to do, go to Google, look for Love2shop a gift card, click the first website here. After that, you will see this page. From here, friends, you can buy this, for example, Love2shop gift card. Click this one. You should be buy, you will redirect it to this voucher website. This is, you can buy this gift card. You should be buy e-gift card, guys, for a digital product. In this case, guys, you have the different option here. You have spend online in store. You have 140 retailers. From here, guys, you can spend this gift card on Argos or Boots on this all this website. In this case, just click if you want to see where to spend, click where to spend here, this option, and then you will see this page. From here, you can look for spend on Argos or Boots, this one website, and then you have see all categories you can spend this gift card. So guys, just click buy this option. When you click buy, you will buy this gift card. Just choose the amount you want to buy. For example, £100 or £200, and then click complete your steps for purchase this gift card. So guys, when you buy this gift card, choose the payment here. For more details, log in your account on this one and register if you don't have any account. After that, you can use your gift card and boost this platform to get offers online and discounts. Just click shop now. You can save your money here. Also, this great things. Click add to cart. For example, you want to buy these things. When you buy, you can use or you can apply your gift card. Love2shop gift card through this one. Click checkout now. And then when you click checkout, you will see continue guests here, checkout guests. After that, guys, write your you can spend your gift, choose a gift card as a payment method to spend your gift card. Love2shop. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you.